Hello and welcome to the Jackson Middle School Band Program. We are so excited to have you be a part of our wonderful organization. My name is Mrs. Megan Whitty. I'm the Director of Bands here at Jackson. We have a wonderful new assistant. His name is Mr. Ian Anderson. We are so excited to have him this year. Let's talk about communication. The best way to communicate with us is through email. So be sure that you're updating as much information in your Skyward as you can. We use emails as our #1 form of communication. My email is listed, mwit@neisd.net, and Mr. Anderson is iander@neisd.net. You can call us through phone. The band hall phone number is 210-356-4421. If someone does not answer the phone, please feel free to leave a message and we will call you back at our earliest convenience. We do have a band Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Jackson Jag Band. Please go on Facebook and like us because we like to talk about our program and share the many wonderful things that your children do here at Jackson. We do have teacher web pages. Mine is listed as well as Mr. Anderson. If you need any information about what supplies you need for band, what instrument you need for band, this is especially for our beginners, then I would highly recommend visiting our teacher web page. There you can find all kinds of wonderful information as well as our schedule. Speaking of our new schedule, on A day, I have first period beginner percussion, second period beginner clarinet, third period honors band, fourth period conference. Mr. Anderson on A day has beginning low brass, second period beginning trumpet, third period assist with honors band, and fourth period with concert band. On B day, it's a little bit different. I have fifth period, we do beginner flute. Sixth period, I assist with symphonic band. Seventh period beginning alto saxophone. Eighth period beginner flute. Now, Mr. Anderson, he has his conference during fifth period on B day. And then sixth period, he does symphonic band. Seventh period beginner French horn. Eighth period beginning trombone. We do have tutoring hours on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. If your child is interested, make sure that they attend. We are happy to help them in any way that we can. How do we grade? We do grading based on the 5 P's: participation, preparation, practice, playing assessments, and performance. Performance is going to look a little bit different this year, but we are still planning on having some opportunities for you to hear your children play. Supplies. For all students, they need a binder, notebook paper, a pencil or supply pouch, and dividers. Now, for the beginning band students, they will need to use the Essential Element Book 1 for their instrument. Advanced band students are using the Foundations for Superior Performance book. Make sure your child has plenty of pencils, a highlighter would be highly encouraged, and of course, a music stand. Instrument maintenance fee. If you are using an NEISD instrument, in other words, if you are using a school rented or school owned instrument, okay, there is a $30 fee that covers the entire school year. Okay, so it's $30 for the entire school year. That is due October the 2nd. I will be setting up a school cash online where you can go online and pay with a credit card or debit card. At this time, we are not accepting checks or a money order. We do accept cash, but the best way right now, especially with everything that's going on in the world, is to use the school cash online system. I will be in contact with you very soon once that gets set up. Now, what does that fee cover? It covers normal wear and tear. You will have a contract that you sign electronically that is required for both parent and student. And then you are responsible for any damages that are beyond normal wear and tear. So we want to make sure that we're taking really, really good care of these instruments. Now, our philosophy. We believe that through music, students can develop lifelong skills that will help them in all their core classes as well as outside extracurricular activities. We promise you, okay? We promise to treat your children like our own children, okay? We're here to love and support your children, although sometimes it is a little bit of tough love. We do want to make sure that your child is successful, and that band is a place where they can be themselves and be comfortable making a mistake and learning from mistakes, because that's how we learn and grow. We're here for you. We're here for your child, and band is, we want it to be a place that you consider family. We do hold really high expectations for both your virtual learning and in-person learning. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please make sure that all your handbook forms are turned in. You can find these forms in your child's Google Classroom. Please be sure to check in your child's Google Classroom for assignments and other important information. Everything that they need as far as assignments and communication is in that Google Classroom. Again, follow us on Facebook, check us out. There's a lot of really great things on there. And then, of course, feel free to contact us with any questions. We are here to help you, so please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you all so much. We're so excited to have you this year, and I look forward to getting to know you better and just getting to teach your wonderful children. Thank you so much.